I'm Matt. Different academic paper formatting styles have different structures for citing sources in your paper. In this video, we'll show you the basics of citing a source in MLA format. References are where you list the information a reader needs to know in order to find the source you use in your paper. To create an MLA citation for a website, you'll need the following pieces of information: the author's first and last name, the title of the article or page, the title of the website, the name of the publisher if it differs from the name of the website, the date the page or site was published if it's available, and the URL. To build your reference, start with the author's last name, then the first name separated with a comma. End this section with a period. Next, write the title of the web page or article in quotation marks, with a period before the end quotation. Then write the title of the website in italics, followed by a comma. If the name of the publisher differs from the name of the website, include it after the title. Following the publisher, write the date that the page or article was published in a day, month, year format, followed by a comma. Finally, paste in the URL or DOI. Citing a book in MLA is even simpler than citing a web page. All you need is the author's name, the title of the book, the name of the publisher, and the year it was published. Start with the author's last name, followed by a comma, and then their first name. End this with a period. Next, write the title of the book in italics, followed by another period. Then write the name of the publisher, followed by a comma, and the publication year. Use one last period, and you're done. When you quote, paraphrase, or summarize a piece of text from another source, you'll need to include an in-text citation in order to properly attribute that quote to its original source. This can take two forms, a narrative citation and a parenthetical citation. In MLA, a narrative citation is simply naming the author somewhere in the sentence that introduces the quote. Just remember to write the page number for the quote in parentheses at the end of the quote. If you don't use the author's name in the sentence introducing the quote, just use a parenthetical citation. Simply write the author's name and the page number for the quote in parentheses at the end of the quote. Remember that different sources may require you to use different information in your reference. For instance, if your reference was originally published on social media, you might need to find out the original poster's username or Instagram handle. If you need help figuring out how to cite something, be sure to check out our citation machine tools, which can show you how to build your citation. All of your references will be listed on your Works Cited page. This page is placed at the end of your paper. You'll want to organize them according to the first item listed in each reference, which will usually be the author's last name. While not every reference in MLA is as easy to write as these, most of the time you'll need to at least know the author's name, the title of the work, and the publisher in order to properly cite a source. If you need any help, Citation Machine Tools knows all there is about building the perfect citations. Thanks for watching.